In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Microsoft Outlook interface by adjusting the Quick Access toolbar. This simple yet effective tweak can significantly enhance your productivity by giving you quicker access to the tools you use most frequently. First, we'll begin by opening Microsoft Outlook. If you're not familiar with this, no worries. Simply locate the Outlook icon on your desktop or search for it in your Start menu if you're using Windows. Once you have Outlook open, you'll be greeted by your inbox and the familiar layout of your email management tool. This is where you'll do most of your day-to-day email sorting and organization. Let's turn our attention to the upper left-hand corner of the Outlook window. Here you should see a small icon representing the Quick Access toolbar. This is a highly customizable space where you can add or remove shortcuts for ease of access to your most commonly used tools and commands. Now go ahead and click on this icon. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll see an option to customize the Quick Access toolbar. Clicking on this option will take you to a list of commands that can be added to your toolbar. Each command is like a tool in a toolkit, ready to assist you with different tasks. You might see items like save, undo, redo, or more email-specific options like marking messages as read or unread. Take a moment to explore these options and think about which ones you find yourself using most often. Imagine your typical workflow and how much easier it would be if these commands were just a click away instead of buried within menus. For instance, if you frequently save emails to specific folders, having a save button right there could save you lots of time. To add a command to the Quick Access toolbar, simply click on the checkbox next to it. You'll notice instant feedback as these commands appear on your toolbar almost immediately. You can select as many commands as you like, allowing you to tailor the toolbar to fit your exact needs. If you ever feel overwhelmed by the clutter or decide a command isn't as useful as you thought, you can always return to this customization menu and make adjustments. Once you're satisfied with your new Quick Access toolbar, take it for a spin. Open emails and see how these shortcuts can streamline your tasks. The customization doesn't have to stop here. Feel free to revisit this feature anytime you incorporate new tools into your regular Outlook usage. These changes are designed to help you work more efficiently and intuitively, getting the most out of what Microsoft Outlook has to offer. So go ahead, enjoy the improved workflow, and remember to always keep an eye out for other features that might help enhance your productivity even further.